So here we have a compression tap that just won't switch off. When you turn it to the off position, it keeps dribbling and will often go past the off position and come fully on again. You may feel that a whole tap needs replacing. This is not the case, as it's just a simple washer replacement. You'll need to find the isolation valve for this tap and turn it off. If you can't find the isolation valve, you will need to turn the water off from your house. Secure the tap using either some sort of spanner or vise. With an adjustable spanner, loosen the top part of the tap. Now we reveal the washer. It's a Delta style washer, 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch, that is completely flattened over years of use. Remove this old washer from the valve and replace with a new washer. Here you can see how flat the old washer is compared to a new washer. These Delta style washers cost for a pack of 5 about £1.75 from Screwfix. Place your new washer on the valve like so. Flat end to go downwards into the tap. Place your valve back into the tap. Replace your tap back into its housing. Gently tighten up and with your spanner nick up hand tight. Turn your water supply back on. Now you have a functional tap again and should switch off nicely and not go past the off position. Job done.